A new federal health report shows a sharp national decline in drug overdose deaths. But in Arizona, the trend is moving in the opposite direction. Sean Rice has more on one step the state is taking to better protect people from dangerous drugs.
Proximity to the border certainly makes us at the center of this crisis.
Inside Maricopa County courtrooms, Deputy County Attorney David Hanselman spends his days working to make our communities safer places. A member of the office's Drug Trafficking Bureau, he's currently prosecuting 63 ongoing cases, some of which are people facing a newly minted Arizona law targeting fentanyl dealers.
You just have to prove that they knew that they were selling fentanyl.
If a fentanyl dealer does that and the consumer dies as a result, a stiffer prison sentence could be on the horizon. The presumptive sentence has jumped from 5 to 10, and the maximum now 15 years.
For the ordinary case, it would essentially double the penalties if the defendant is found guilty of selling lethal fentanyl.
Should the community view this as a necessary step to strengthen penalties to prevent fentanyl from being peddled on our streets? How do you think they should view it?
I think the community should view this law favorably. So let's take a step back and talk about why the law went into effect. So in the years 2021, 2022, and 2023, drug overdosers were killing in excess of 100,000 Americans each year.
Recent CDC data released this week shows drug overdose numbers dropped significantly across the country the following year, 2024, to just over 80,000 deaths. And in 2025, another drop to around 70,000 deaths annually. But Arizona's numbers go in the opposite direction, experiencing a 17% increase year to year. Bucking that trend takes more than jailing your way out of it, but Hanselman says dealers need to know what's ahead of them before putting a drug like fentanyl on our streets.
This new law was essentially a response to that crisis, that if you sell drugs, you sell fentanyl that results in someone's death, you're going to be held accountable and suffer more severe criminal penalties.